Okay, so today I'll be showing you how you can generate a video like this, making your AI or any other character to play your music, whether you're an instrumentalist or you just feel like generating your own music. This is the best for your faceless content. Alright, so you go to our AI that we'll be using today, which is Hailuo AI. Hailuo AI. Yes, Hailuo AI has a daily 100 free credits that you can use to generate your video. So it has three packages. It has images to video, where you can use your image and turn it to video. So if you have an image you want to use, you can just turn those image to video. And this AI is so lovely. So if you are new, you register with your email and you'll be given 100 free coin daily. Then we have the next one, which is text to video. Now this text to video, you can just write anything you wish the video should look like, and it will automatically generate it. This AI is so lovely and it's free, so you don't have to pay to generate your video. Then we'll have the last one, image generation. Here you can just describe what you want to generate with your image. If you want any image that you have in mind, you can just tell Hailuo AI and it will generate it for free without having to pay any dime. So let's dive in. Let's see how you can make use of this for your music. So please, if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. My name is Damisax and I do AI videos, tutorial, and many things other music as well. So here's the text. So I'm going to write that generate. Please don't forget to subscribe. Trying to create a video now. Generate a record. Okay, very beautiful. Let me use beautiful cards. Playing violin. I think it's okay on the stage. On stage is better. Generate a record playing violin on stage. So here you can choose how you want your camera to look like. You can see we have different sizes. If you want it to be moving sideways, you can select it. And if you are confused, the only AI can select any one that it fits in. Sometimes it's good to select so that you have an idea of how your video is going to look like. You have other selection as well that you can use. So this AI is so lovely and they are for free. Please, if you are watching this video, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section as well. This is so lovely. So the next is to create with our 30 coin, because each prompt, each video is 30 coins. All right, so let's generate. Okay. So don't forget you're using your 30 coin to generate each prompt. All right, so while the video is generating, let me create another one. Okay, so I want to generate an audience now. All right, so generate a video of people, yes, listening, yes, of people enjoying themselves listening to music, listening to music in a cinema. Okay, in the cinema. All right, so I want a video of audience while the cat is playing. There's an audience enjoying the music, so I can pick any style of how I want my camera to roll. All right, so just pick. Let me pick this. Let me pick this one. So just like I said, you ask the AI what you want, and it brings it out for you. Okay. So you can also increase your layer as well. All right, so you can go to and see. So you wait for a while, and it's automatically will generate. So a video is here. You can see. So these are the audience enjoying themselves listening to great music. You can see it's so flawless, it's so neat, well arranged. It looks so original. You can see them, yes, in a great cinema. This is just lovely. Yes, this is Hailuo AI for you. You can see without any picture, and this is the cat playing the violin. Okay, so we have two of them. We have other video I've generated as well. So from here you save your video. You can save with watermark or without watermark. Without watermark means you've registered, you've paid for their package, but with watermark means you haven't paid. So most time you can just, for now you can save without watermark or with watermark, and you crop it out. Now you go to your editing app and make use of InShot. So I repeated those videos. You arrange them in their layers. You can see, put the first card here. You use the audience intermediary. Now this is just to make it look real. As the cat is playing, there's an audience listening to the music of the violin. So you can create something like this, and it is for free, so you're not paying for this, so you don't have to even pay anybody to create your own music, and you can use it as a faceless animation, faceless cartoon, faceless content. Yes, so here is me using InShot. You can use your CapCut as well. Then you look for music that you're going to add, so you can record your own music if you want to record. Now this is where the music come in, or if you've recorded it, you just add it, or you can go to any of your video, you extract your music and play it at the background, so it will just automatically rhyme with the music that is playing, and it looks so nice. You can see as the violin is playing, because it has matched with the music. So this is lovely, and remember I use Hailuo AI to generate the video, and I also use InShot for my editing. Also, you can use other editing app, and this looks so lovely. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and if you have any question, drop in the comment section. So let's see how the final video look like. Thank you.